your preparation stage, your your accommodation, right? It's not back to the research stage, right? It's not all institutions that offers on campus, right? On campus accommodation, you need to actually make sure that okay, if there's no space because some may be full, right? Where is the nearest place I can stay? Do I have a relative there that I can stay with that's actually close to the institution where it's going to take time, right? You're going to look at should I ask when you have asked the institution, you check around your own family members if there's anybody or friends, if anybody rich. I mean, so you have to get your own place, right? You have to check the prices of those places, how close it is, things like that. It's when you arrange your accommodation. The distance between is the accommodation and the housing and this institution, is it 10 minutes, 20 minutes, things like that? Are you going to need transportation like train or bicycle or car or whatever your institution access, right? So those are things that you should look at when you are trying to arrange your documents, your accommodation, sorry, right? So travel arrangement, you need to book your flights, obviously, you need your flight, parking, orientation and preparation. You're going to need a medical report, so you have to make sure that your health is in check. I mean, if you're in Nigeria, they will arrange it even if you have outside there, right there. So that one is not an issue. It can be processed in like a local government or some. It's a fast process, so it doesn't waste time, right?